Here's an example of infinitely many solutions. So this is my original problem. When I put it into my calculator and ran RREF, I got this for my matrix. Well, I know I have infinitely many solutions because the zeros at the bottom, they're all zeros instead of a 1 right here. So what we're going to say is we're going to let z equal z. So I'm going to rewrite the top. The first line would be x plus 1/9 z equals 0. The second line would be y minus 1/9 z equals 0. And we're going to say the last line, let z equal z. And the reason why we're going to do that is if I put in a number for z, like 3, then I'll back substitute 3 everywhere I see a z. So our z is 0. Now we're just going to solve. I'm going to solve this. And y minus 1/9 z equals 0. If I solve for z, I'm going to say y equals positive 1/9 z. To get z by itself, I'm going to multiply both sides by 9. And y would be, or z would be, oh, I'm sorry. We're not solving for y. We are solving for y. We want it in terms of z. So I'm going to cross this off, and right here, the y would be 1/9 z. So let me write that one more time. The y is 1/9 z. The z goes there. Now I'll solve the last piece, which is the first one, and I'm going to solve for x. So x plus 1/9 z equals 0. X equals negative 1/9 z. So negative 1/9 z. Now everything's in terms of z. So for example, if I said, well, let z equal 9, then I could say, well, z would be 9, y would be 1, x would be negative 1. So our final solution is in terms of z. We only do that when I have zeros across the bottom.